Parents, are you tired of spending endless hours cleaning baby bottles and pump parts? Meet the ultimate time saver that every busy parent needs in their life. Introducing the Momcozy KleanPal Pro Baby Bottle Washer, the all-in-one solution for hands-free cleaning, sterilizing, and drying. This innovative machine takes the hassle out of bottle cleaning, giving you more time to enjoy with your family. Equipped with 26 powerful spray jets, it ensures thorough cleaning, leaving no stains behind. Whether it's baby bottles, pump parts, or tableware, the KleanPal Pro has got you covered. Its dual-layer design can handle up to 4 bottles from most major brands at a time, including wearable pump parts. Choose from 9 customizable cleaning modes, including a rapid wash that gets the job done in just 19 minutes. Plus, its effective steam sterilization ensures a hygienic feeding environment for your baby. And here's the best part. After washing, it keeps items dry and sterile for up to 72 hours, thanks to the medical-grade HEPA filter that removes 99.9% of airborne particles. Upgrade your parenting game today with the Momcozy KleanPal Pro. Your time is precious. Click the link in the description to buy this product.